Welcome back to the Local Business Spotlight. I'm Marlise, here today with Dr. Bill Schenck of Vizuri Health Center, where he helps patients with neuropathy symptoms regain their quality of life every single day. Thank you so much for joining me.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
You've described your process as a science-backed and multi-step process for treating patients. Can you go into more of what that looks like?
Sure. So first of all, understand the old way of treating neuropathy was simply to mask it by giving people drugs. So we have to regenerate the tissues by bringing oxygen and nutrients to them. And we use a 4-step process to accomplish that. The first thing, if you can imagine if you had a plant that was wilting, the first thing you do is you give it water. Well, in the body, we have to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the cells. And that's the first thing we do. Once that's accomplished, then we help to regenerate the nerves using technologies that people use at home. And the third thing is that we use in-office technologies that help to speed up the process, to help them heal faster. And the fourth thing is just remember, this is done at home. 90% is done in the privacy of their home, so they can do the work themselves.
Can you go into a little bit more detail about what that structure process looks like?
So what we do in the office is we use these advanced technologies. And the first is something called SoftWave, and it's called tissue regeneration technology. And people can learn more about that on our website. The second thing we use is a class 4 laser, using light to heal the body. And the third is using spinal decompression. If there's pressure on the nerves in the spine, we have to release that. Otherwise, the nerves can't conduct electricity down to the feet. Those
therapies you just described, I'm sure they're completely life-changing. Do you have an example of a patient whose quality of life is improved?
Yes, this is a woman that came to us, and she turned down a promotion because she didn't think she could stay awake at work and because she was in so much pain at night, she wasn't sleeping. So we were able to help her not only sleep through the night and get rid of her pain, but she got well enough to take a promotion and a new job. And much more importantly is that she got to do things that she loved to do, which was hiking and camping and fishing with her husband. That was her big why. She got her life back.
Oh, well, that's amazing. I'm sure it's really gratifying to be able to see people's lives completely change as a result of this treatment. So if anyone watching right now is currently struggling, how can they get in touch with you?
If you contact us at vizurihealth.com and just go to our website, you'll learn much more about what we do and how we do it. You meet the team, so you can feel comfortable and knowledgeable about what we do, how you can get your life back.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Dr. Schenck, and all that you do within our community. That's this week's Local Business Spotlight. Back to you.